Why is dirty power, or a lack of good power quality, a problem? It increases operating cost. If you're in a production facility and you have specific timelines about delivering product, you can miss deadlines. There are safety risks and additional headaches for staff. There are also power quality issues which technicians refer to as ghost electrical problems because they can't be diagnosed. And of course, there's the cost of downtime. In the manufacturing industry, downtime can be significant since it's not just about losing a motor that potentially costs $20,000. It's more about the downtime associated with the loss of manufacturing. Just take a look at these numbers. For example, in the automotive manufacturing industry, losing production could cost you $3 million per hour. Improve your peace of mind. Contact Volta Insite today.